plan for this person. Okay. And he did the same for his brother. Okay. And this is what, because he was saying that, because the problem is that his brother, because not to actually repay the loans, okay, his brother's wife started working. They have a kid. Okay. His brother was starting to apply for on-site, because if he works in 6 months in US or UK, right, he can pay the loans faster and so on. That pressure is always constantly going on all the time. He was saying his brother for last 10 years, he's not at all happy. Always like, even if he's going to have to go to a mall, he's thinking twice. I don't know why. After earning 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs, and so on, he's still like, for the basic normal stuff itself, he's actually thinking twice or thrice. And that is when what it was, he actually did the plan for him. Okay. And after a few months, his brother sold the house. Okay. That 1.5 has, like, what to say, it was actually, price has increased. I think 2.2 something like that, he sold it. 2 crores, something like that. Okay. So whatever interest paid, that is already like, already gone. Okay. So he paid the loan. And he was left with what? Almost like 75 lakhs or 1 crore after paying all the loans and other stuff. Okay. 75 lakhs or 80 lakhs. And after that, right? Okay. He is seeing his brother happy. No loans, nothing. 75 lakhs in bank now. 2 to 2.5 lakhs coming in as salary. And is like having amazing life. He's planning to actually put his money. See, the problem is that I'm not saying like buying a land or this is wrong. It's amazing investment, by the way. But you have to plan in such a way that it should not be too much. Okay, it should not be crushing you every single day in your life. Okay, which is what I feel a lot of people are facing. Okay, they're taking huge loan every, like in 30s itself. I've seen a lot of people taking huge loans. Okay, taking loan is fine, but it should be limited in such a way that every single day you should not be able. It should be peaceful. Okay, you should be able to manage the EMIs and also your what's the income or whatever lifestyle that you live in a balanced manner. Otherwise, that's going to actually cause a lot of trouble. Okay, I've seen people think that, okay, buying a home is my dream and then repaying the loan is my dream. That is what is becoming. Okay, so the dream is completely changed. Let me close this EMI or loan, that is becoming my dream. So I don't want you to have that. See, enjoy, 30 to 45, 50. That's a peak area. A lot of people are actually like, what to say, getting into a lot of commitments, all these financial commitments, and completely the cash flow is completely gone. Okay, don't get into that. Okay, you have to buy lands, okay, which have to be bought at the earliest stage so that it can grow, but make sure that it is within your budget. Okay, don't go for huge loans and actually get stuck. Okay, whatever loan, that's an amazing option. They're giving it at 7% or 8% interest, but don't get it until your neck. Okay, that's a suggestion. So this one, when it comes to this one, mutual funds. So what we thought, okay, so 5,000 every single month also can actually give you huge amount of returns. Okay, wealth creation. If we change it to 10,000, some people have actually put 10,000. So if you put 10,000 every single month for 20 years, 24 lakhs is what you're going to invest, and it's going to become 1.5 crore. Okay, 1.5 crore is the capacity that we can have or wealth that we can create. Okay, over a period of time. Okay, so that is what, and eventually whatever I suggest is that even if you're starting with 5,000, as your salary is getting incremented, okay, don't use it for buying some other stuff. Use that for increasing your investment in mutual fund. That's the best thing you can do. Okay, that's the reason I told you, people who are in 20s, before 40, you manage now itself, from today itself, so that by 40 you will be having an amazing life. Okay, so that's the best thing to do. Okay, even if assume that some people get stuck into job which you don't like it. Okay, after 40 you can do whatever you love. Okay, if you want to start your own business, if you want to start your own restaurant, you can do anything and everything that is possible. Okay, after 40 you don't have to actually keep thinking, okay, I want to do something, I don't have money. All that can be sorted. So don't say at the age of 40 or 15 years from now that you don't have capital. 20s, people who are in 20s. Okay, you have enough planning in place. You should have a capital. If you don't have a capital, it's like you're not done the proper planning right now. Okay, for others also, everybody. Okay, everyone. Okay, for that matter. Okay, I'm just talking about 20s because the awareness, I won't say that everybody's talking about money to them. Yeah, okay, I think some people, this is the first time they're actually people are talking about money. I want to make sure that you get it. Okay, so everybody's talking about career, job, work for 15 hours, 18 hours. Some people are saying 18 hours and so on. Okay, yeah, anyway. So I would say that, as I said, plan, balance everything. Okay, finance is something that nobody is talking about, or nobody is talking about investment, where you have to put your money and so on. There's a plan, there's a time. Okay, a lot of resources are there, utilize it. Okay, I'll be showing you list of mutual funds and how to analyze it also right now.